Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing good. Who's this?
Sir, I am calling from a credit card company and we would like to have uh, to offer you something. Are you interested in the credit card?
No, I'm not interested.
Sir, it's a very good offer. Please try our credit card.
I'm telling you why you guys are always troubling me all the time. I'm not interested in any credit card, okay? Don't disturb me. You guys trap and then go away. Please don't call me again. Bye. Yes, as you have seen just now that we are receiving such calls every day. Well, we always think that credit card is always a burden on us. But can we change this burden to the benefits? I'm going to tell you some tips that you are going to change these credit card as blessing. So I'm Wasim Ahmad from Successful Journey. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do it now and like and share this video. Let's start the video now. To get maximum advantage from the credit cards, the cards normally offer some benefits, some reward points. So before taking any credit card, just check the rewards that how much rewards you can get. Actually, these rewards can convert your cost into the benefit, and the card will always will be free for you. So don't miss out this option and check before getting any credit card. Use this credit card on smartly on those places and get maximum reward. Number two is that most of the credit cards have a credit free period of 50 days. For example, if any credit card is will is generated on 15, and if you are using this card on 16, so the next bill will be generated on 15 of next month, and from 15 till maybe 20 days, they give more leverage that you have to pay within that due date. So utilize your card smartly if your bill is going to be generated. So avoid this so you can get the maximum benefits. Number three is use those credit cards who are free of cost and offer you for lifetime. Those cards who are asking for annual fee, avoid those credit cards because they take so much amount on that. Next is a common mistake which most of the people do, that they don't pay full amount of the due bill, and the result is they are charged late fees as well as profit or interest on the remaining amount. And this interest is very high, and if you add up both of the cost and see the total cost, it is too high, and that is a trap of credit card companies. So never leave any balance outstanding. Pay all the amount so you can avoid these costs. Next is some of the credit card companies offer leverage facilities, that if you use our card, we will offer you a bonus, or uh, if you take our card, we will offer you a credit, and sometimes they offer facilities like balance transfer. So you may avail this facility if it is free of cost and take the full advantage. This is very good facility and does not cost anything if you pay it smartly. Next is most of the credit cards offer very good perks for travelers, like special assistance on the airport, VIP lounge access, special discount on the airlines, and so many other benefits. So this is really good. If you are a traveler, you should have some few credit cards, and before taking any credit card, use that which offer you are going to get and which will be benefit for you. Next is now most of the credit cards are offering 0% interest split payments. Like if you have purchased anything for $2,000, you can pay it in 3 monthly installments without any interest, without any cost. So have a look on this area before taking any credit card and avail this offer. This is very good. You can get free of cost credit from these credit cards, by having this offer, and you can purchase. Sometimes you don't have money and you want to purchase something because of some attractive offers, so you can use your credit cards for this purpose. Next is some of the credit cards. They offer uh, no foreign transaction fee. For example, if you are using your credit card outside the country in foreign currency, they don't use any fee. So this is a benefit for you because you have to carry cash and use a lot of hassle. But if you have this facility, you can get free of cost credit card cash from credit card. So avoid if you have to pay huge fee because some of the credit cards do offer and they charge a huge fee on the credit on the foreign transactions. So if you have this facility, this is a very beneficial for you if you are a foreign frequent traveler, and you are traveling to many countries. So it is a benefit for you. At the end, when anybody call you for credit card, ask him or her that is it free of cost. If they ask some fee, so just try to negotiate and make this cost waive off. During the after passing 1 year, they again call you. You call them and ask to negotiate. You can just simply say that I'm going to cancel your credit card, so they normally reverse the fee by watching your credit history. So that's why I mentioned earlier that you should pay all your outstanding immediately. Don't leave it. These credit card companies rank you so high. I hope this video is informational. Please subscribe and like my channel and share this video among your loved ones. Thank you very much.